Uh, Fine, dear participants. Once again, I welcome you all on behalf of Connecting Financial Institute, and I'm Nishan. And today gonna be very interesting day because our today's session is algorithm trading, the next buzz. We have kept this session intentionally because looking at the current market scenario, the volatility, or the current market situation, I think this is the subject that should touch and should be discussed in depth. So today's session will be more on a very general idea on algorithm trading, how to build these strategies, how algo having a different edge compared to the manual trades. Okay, so we have the expert today that's going to discuss each and everything with you. And I request all the participants to please take this opportunity to clear all the doubts because we have expert right now. Now, strategy building is fine. Mr. Nilesh gonna teach how to make the strategy for sure. Mr. Nilesh will also make us understand how to do the semi algos also. And Mr. Nilesh will give the knowledge that Mr. Nilesh do have. But I request the participants to clear all your doubts related to the algo. So I myself had created few questions, guys, for you so that you can, you know, few of the queries get sorted. So the session will be start by Mr. Nilesh, and the last 10 minutes, 15 minutes we have kept intentionally for the Q&A so that we can actually create the full knowledge of algorithm. Okay, so algo is not just building strategies and manual trades. There are so many things that need to understand before we fall into the algorithm world. Fine. So with this, I welcome Mr. Nilesh Gajjar, and Mr. Nilesh Gajjar is the senior manager at Saral Information Technologies Private Limited. Saral Information is the registered vendor of National Stock of Exchange and the pioneer of providing the algorithm strategies to so many trading members. Fine. Mr. Nilesh is having more than 20 years of experience in the field of algorithm, and being a pioneer in the field of algorithm, I personally felt Mr. Nilesh is having a very sound in demonstrating the knowledge of algorithm. So, Mr. Nilesh, without any further delay, I would like you to please throw the importance of algorithm and please enlighten the group about the world of algorithms. Sir. Over to you, Mr. Nilesh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, and good evening to all of you. Uh, Sir, can you just please
Yes, sir.
make
Just 2 minutes.
yeah.
So, Mr. Nilesh, this is a very close crowd of mine, and please, you can discuss all the experience that you have. Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, I would request you to please keep this group don't like an ordinary group because this is a very private group. So, you can speak whatever the things that is in your mind, and they all know that we have a strict disclaimer. So, please, you can discuss all your queries, sir, and all the knowledge that you have. Fine. Thank you so much, sir. And now you are a host. You can, sir, please discuss whatever the things. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen. I have some softwares which I am using for the analysis. So in today's scenario, market is much highly volatile, and due to this volatility, you must have to develop your strategy on day by day, right? So without strategy or without knowledge, you can't go into the market and try to earn the money. But with the strategy, yes, of course, you can make the money. So there are two things I would like to highlight the in this session. First is what to trade, and second is how to trade, right? What to trade means there are a lot of concern about like news or some long term strategies and chart base, and that is a very long time base. So but in today's scenario, when I see the market, there is a lot of opportunity in the index option, and there is a full liquidity in Nifty, Bank Nifty, as they have the weekly expiries also. So you can make the money from there also. So looking into this index depth and liquidity, you may get the opportunity to earn the money with your strategic planning and your knowledge, right? So first of all, I would like to highlight some points for the algorithm. Algorithm is basically a execution software which execute your strategy as per your parameter, right? So before going for algo, you must need to find your strategy perfectly, and after that you have to go to the algo. So first of all, when I'm talking about the Greeks algorithm and options, you must understand the parameters of the Greeks, like IV, delta, then again gamma, theta, vega, rho, and everything. So in these five parameters, there is only one parameter which is having a age, and it means it is in your favor if you are in a short position, and that is the theta, sorry. The theta means the days to expire the expiry. So this is the only parameter which is reduced every day, and it is in the favor of the short trader, which means you cannot hedge the IV, you cannot hedge the delta, because delta is again the costly affair, as you have to trade frequently in that to hedge the delta, and every change in LTP, your delta is changing. So in this case, definitely the theta will be in your favor if you are going for a good strategy. And option is the only way where you can impose, you can use your experience, knowledge, and with the help of this parameter, you can earn the money very easily and very calmly. So even though you can reverse or repair your positions, even if the market is against you. So this is the, I think, right opportunity to enter into the option market and get some money from the market. So to find the right trade, you must understand the what is IV. So IV is a basically implied volatility. It changes every time. So as compared to the yesterday, you must find out the what is the IV of the yesterday and what is the today's IV. And second, the IV change. Why IV change? Because the IV is based on the number of trades done on the particular strike. So whenever the particular strikes is in general condition, it is lying ideal, and suddenly the people are starting trading into that particular strike. So definitely the IV is going to change. So IV change is a much important factor for any strike to take a decision for a trade.
Nilesh
So yes, sir.
sir, so before moving into the strategy part and the delta IV, sir, can
Hmm.
you just enlighten the group that why the algorithm is gaining momentum, sir? Like, what is the why the world is moving towards the algorithm, sir?
Yes, sir. Algorithm is basically a design because if suppose let's take an example of a straddle. Straddle is the best strategy for risk-taking traders. It has the highest reward and highest risk. Like so, for the straddle there are two legs, right? So in this case, you have to make a trade in a two strike different strike. So while doing manual things, the price difference which you are looking for, definitely in the manual trading you may get some difference of 1 rupees or 50 paisa, while if you are putting this strategy into the algo, so algo will execute this both the leg as per your price difference which is defined by you. So algo is basically your perfect partner to execute the your strategy. Suppose example, I would like to make a position of 50 lot in a particular 15,000 call and put. So for manually, it is very difficult for me to get the particular price difference or price average for execution. If I will put this strategy into this algo, definitely it is going to execute as per my defined range. So algo is basically your best companion to execute your strategy once you have completed your all the analysis and uh, homework. So algo is much needed because in today's scenario, you must have seen that So there are so many algos. As per my understanding, in index, option index particularly, there are more than 60% trading which is being done by the algorithm. So you cannot beat that algo manually. So you must have to go through this algo executor only. So this is the place where the algo is necessary to execute your strategy properly. So algo is much needed in a
Yes,
high
sir.
volatile market.
Yes,
Right?
Nilesh ji. So we understood that the algo is very necessary, like you said, that to beat the speed or to beat the fast volatility, algo is gaining momentum, and you rightly say 60% of the index volume is actually done with the help of algos. So we had also heard there are two things. One is called co-location, and there is called algorithm, sir.
Yeah.
So
There's
can
a
you just clear those two terms? What is co-location and second is algorithm?
Yes, co-location, it means that I am putting my server into the NSE the premises where my server is lying at the NSE's premises. I will get the market feed from my NSE directly there. Okay, so this is the co-location, means I am sharing my hardware infrastructure over there, and from there I am taking a lease line and taking a remote of that server, and I am executing my strategies over the server. So this is the basic co-location where the people are getting the benefit of the fast broadcast. Okay.
Okay.
But co-location has a disadvantage also, because the lying server at the NSE's premises, it is cost again. The high frequency broadcast, ultra high frequency broadcast is again a cost for a trader. Then lease line, remote control, you have to be have a lease line. So again, it's a cost. If you have a perfect strategy and if you want to execute on an ultra high frequency trade, in this case only you have to follow your server. So if you are not that much big, and still you want to execute your strategies, in this case we have a solution that we without putting server into the NSE's premises, you can execute your algorithm on just NSE's normal lease line, which is I think 4 MB, 10 MB, 20 MB or 30 MB, whatever you have. So this will reduce your cost definitely, and also make you able to participate in algorithm trading. So there are a lot of difference between co-location and normal algo execution
So
in
Nilesh ji, we
lease line.
understood that co-location is like a thing that the server is actually kept at the NSE premises only,
Right, sir.
and the fastest data can be reached with the help of co-location. But co-location
Yes,
is
sir.
pretty expensive and it's for the very high frequency trades, right?
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Okay, so this constraint can be reduced with the help of algorithm. So in an algorithm, the member don't have to incur that much expenses, but still they can take the automatic trade, right? But
Right,
at
sir.
the very low expenses.
Right, sir.
Perfect. Yes, sir.
Yeah, second, why it is algorithm? Because there are no such as algorithm actually in entire NSE or BSE servers. Because we all these softwares are basically executing your strategy. So these all are the execution algos. You can say that. So you need to build your strategy. You need to backtest it, and you need to execute that strategy. So algorithm, why it is called algo? Because it execute all the rules or predefined parameters defined by the user, and it will give you the result. So, but obvious there is a little bit of difference in performance as compared to the collocation and the normal execution algo on the lease line, distance lease line. So it might be somewhere around 5 to 10% max. Okay, so with the help of 20 Mbps lease line, I think it reduced to up to 5% difference. So if you
So
are
got it.
looking,
So basically, Nilesh ji, so far the group is already understood about the co-location and the algorithm strategy. So,
yes, sir.
sir, we had also understood two things, that there are two types of algo. One is semi-algo, one is proper algo, right?
Right, sir. Right.
So can you just please give the difference between semi-algo and the algorithm? Because we are not discussing colo right now, because colo we understood for the very high frequency traders,
Right,
and
sir.
it contains more expensive.
Right, sir.
So for us to understand more, we have two options now. One is semi-algo, one is proper algo.
Right, sir.
Fine. So
So,
please, yes, sir.
yeah, please.
Yeah, so please can you just throw the light on the semi-algo part and algorithm, and the few strategies that you want to show on semi-algo first, then on the algorithm?
Yes, sir. Definitely. First of all,
Yes,
I
sir.
would like to go for a manual algo. So to define the different kind of strategy, first of all, I think I would like to discuss some of the strategy which I have made for a study purpose. So everybody is known for this kind of strategy like butterfly, calendar spread, diagonal spread, iron butterfly, spread, spangle, straddle, or synthetic future option or synthetic straddle. Right. So these all are the strategy which is globally known. So it has definitions in terms of globally, it has a global definition. So once I decided what is straddle, right? So straddle is basically a combination of a two leg of the same strike in the same direction. Whether it is for buy, then both leg will be in the buy position. If it is on the sell side, then both the leg has to sell. Okay, so this is the one strategy. Okay, so these are the all the parameters which you need to understand. What is the difference in terms of stop losses, margins, and the day to day M2M. And if the spot changes every day, so what will be happen to your position and what would be your stop losses? So first of all, you understand this kind of strategy. Then after understanding these strategies, you need to trade the or execute this strategy. So in manual algo, we have given the facility to place the order of the two leg or even a four leg at the same point. So this is we call it a semi algo because it helps to place all the orders in a single go. So if I am doing butterfly and by placing this submit button, you can submit all this order to the exchange for a trade. Okay, and to
Nilesh, 1 second. Sir, just 1 second. Participants, I would request to please, I think, please mute yourself, because there are few people who are, they are unmute. So Fawaz and Rajanji, could you please? Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, sir, continue, sir.
Yeah, so this will definitely help you to reduce your data entry time and order placing time to get the perfect balance of your trade. Okay, so even though to execute these orders, we have given the preferences. Preferences means you are ensuring that this particular butterfly is going to execute at the single enter. So we have given the preferences like what should be the default price when I am opening that particular order book or for placing the order. So I have the selection of the active 1, active 2, active 3, active 4 and active 5 selection. So if I'm selecting this active 3 price, it means for butterfly, whenever I'm putting an order for a butterfly, okay, in this case all the prices will be of depth of third number. So if I
Sir,
am
just one
by
second. I would request Mr. Fawaz to please unmute yourself. Sir, please, because getting disturbed, sir. Yes, sir. Please, Nilesh.
okay, so my all the orders will have the price of the third number depth. If I am buying, then the price from the seller side third number price will be you can see that 141.35 in the first leg, and the second would be, it is for a buying 95.20. Okay, and 160.95. So even if during the transaction means once the order placed, it goes to the server, then goes to the lease line.
Nilesh ji.
And yes, sir.
Sir, could you please remove Mr. Fawaz? Just click, right click on Mr. Fawaz, is the third number.
Remove.
Yeah, because we are asking you to unmute.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, Nilesh, please.
So it will help you to place your order for 100% execution, because what happened, the order travels through the lease line and it takes some times to reach to the exchange. While reaching to the exchange, it may possible that the two debt may be changed or may be traded or may be deleted by the orders. So even if your order is reached to that, then third number price will be your active first and you will get your trade easily.
So,
So
sir, so far we understood, because I think this is getting some technicality. The thing is that, so far, sir, we understood if we want to do the two leg strategy, that means a straddle. A straddle
yes,
is a buy straddle or a sell straddle. Suppose we want to do a buy straddle. So just click on the buy straddle. Okay. The immediately order can be executed, sir. Yes.
yes sir, I can submit this order. I'm
Immediately. So
submitting.
that means anytime, whenever the price touch the difference we made, the execution automatically happen in that particular strike. Yes.
Yes, you can submit this order at a certain price. Definitely, sir.
Okay, perfectly done. So there are few, so far, guys, the manual algorithm means we automatically get the signals, right, sir?
No, sir. Signals for this will help you to execute the true leg. For
Okay.
getting the signals, you must get that from your radar, where you
Okay.
can put your strategy. Okay, like if you want to, find out some calendar spread from at the money of the next strike. Okay, so you can write down this condition into your radar, and then you will get the result of that two leg particularly. And after finding that result into your this radar book, okay, so
Hmm.
you can start your trading. So basically this is your trade finder and this is your manual execution helping tool. So
So,
it
sir,
will
can you just give me the examples in radar that any particular breakouts type, not the bull spread and butterflies are fine, but any simple strategy that can be done by the breakouts one?
just a minute, let me run some broadcast, just a minute. So now my broadcast has started. Okay, I'm
Okay.
getting this result. Okay,
Yeah.
so let me stop this for a while, just a minute. Okay, so this is the some different conditions which I have made, like uh, calendar spread, yet not result came. Yes, you can find some like this is the one I can simply discuss. Okay, so which this is the condition I have made, that if the particular script or strike have a volume, double volume as compared to the yesterday. Okay, so you can see that in 29th April expiry, the particular strike of 15,200 call has a heavy volume as compared to the yesterday. Yesterday's volume was just 161. Sorry, and yeah, it has doubled the volume as compared to the yesterday, and along with that, I have put some another condition also. So this is the condition. There are two conditions. The volume is greater than yesterday's multiplied by 1.5. So it
Okay.
has made the almost 1.5 times of the volume as compared to the yesterday, and it is making a new high again. So there are two direction it is picking up. So one is a liquidity, and second is it is making a new high today. So it is in the upper mode, means upper direction. So you can take a decision where what to trade, means whether you going for a buy side or you can go for a sell side. Okay, so same thing you can also find out some another call put options where just a minute. So you can find out this kind of strikes where the people are, doing the trades particularly. So in with the help of this, you can also take a position, okay, in particular script. For example, if I am doing the calendar spread of the monthly expiry, and I would like to see the in the next expiry, what strike is having a more trade or a more volume. If suppose right now I am in the April, so in the May,
Nilesh
uh, yes
Nilesh,
sir,
sorry to disturb you again, sir. Can you just remove these red lines? So red lines can be removed from the. Okay, sir. Is it possible for you to give me the hosting part so that I can remove them?
yeah, just a minute.
Because people are saying this is getting disturbed. So just 1 second, I will remove that.
I will make you host.
Yeah. So I'll do that. Yes.
Yes, I have given you.
Okay, sir. Just 1 second. Just 1 second, Bob.
Hmm.
So okay. I think, sir, you can take now. Just 1 second, Nilesh. Okay. Yes, Nilesh.
Just so with the help of this kind of things to find the right trade, and after that finding the right trade, you must execute your straddle or a basket or whatever you made. We have given the flexibility, you can create your own basket also, okay. So if you have a 4 leg strategy, 3 leg strategy, 5 leg strategy, then you can define it, and with the help of manual execution, so without any, breaking the compliance, you can execute this onto the live servers.
So, sir,
This
can
will,
you just open that radar again? I can see there is a strategy called arbitrage.
yes,
So,
arbitrage.
so guys, actually we had already discussed about the arbitrage strategy. Arbitrage is simple. You can actually keep a uh, difference of spot and future. So, suppose ICICI spot is low and future is high. So we can place a difference of ICICI by looking at the chart. So far I know the difference never went below -6 rupees. Okay, difference of spot and future. So we can place actually -6 rupees in this kind of machines, that whenever the difference of the ICICI spot and future comes to -6, immediately it gives me some indication. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And
So
after that indication I have to press the enter. So this is called manual algo. You will get the automatic indications, but you have to press manually, so that this is called manual algo. But if you are doing an algorithm, that means after getting -6, automatically your trade executes. So this is a difference between manual algo and the proper algo. Yes, sir.
yes, sir, correct, sir. So right now I am showing my algorithm. Okay. So here is my entry rule. Okay, so there are the options for a 1 leg strategy, 2 leg strategy, 3 leg strategy, and 4 leg strategy. So, okay, I am taking the right now example for the particularly straddle. So it's a 2 leg strategy. So I am selecting the 2 leg. I want to make the trade in a 14,800 call. So it's a sell. Yes, of course. And again, it's a 14,800, same strike, same expiry, and it's a put here. Okay, both the cells. Okay, so now the client ID, it's a normal thing. So main, you need to concentrate on this market value. So if you are looking at this scenario and you have the parameters like earlier said Mr. Bali, that the difference has a, it is in range. Every time it touches the upper side and the lower side. So you know that, then you must, define this range. So I would like to buy this particularly strike at, let's say, 585 rupees. Okay, and the code difference will be the 25 paisa. It means the algo will start uh, quoting when the price range comes in between the 585.25 paisa and 584.75 paisa. Okay, so I am taking here the total of 10 quantity, 10 lots, and the order quantity will be 1 lot. You can also place the same quantity, no issue. Okay, then uh, first order, it means it will check the liquidity up to first depth. If I am looking for a 1 lot, then definitely 1 lot must be there. As the threshold I have defined 20%. If I am making it to 40%, it will check whether the 2 lots has been here. If there is only 1 lot, then it will not execute the algo. Else, I am making it to the 20% because it's a liquid counter. So, and the M, okay, not mapped. So you can map the multiple clients also for a single rule. Okay, so now my rule is ready and I am start executing here. Okay, let me run some. So once the price is in range, it will start. Now trade has been started. You can see here modification and again one lot has been already traded. Now I'm looking for
Now, sir, I think the group wants to understand few basic questions first. So the strategy portion is perfectly fine, sir, because we understood what is the different kind of strategy can be make and all those things. But sir, now I think there are few clarities needed in terms of algorithm, because so many times we had discussed about the algorithm that you can make this strategy and it auto runs, that you had shown that automatically it is running, right? But the now we have to take few questions which are very important now.
Yes,
Okay,
please.
so we had understood one is called manual algo and one is called the auto algo, right? So now, sir, few question needs to be understood by the participants, that
Yes, sir.
can retail participants in algo. Now my question is, can retail participants, sir,
No,
because
sir.
most of, yeah.
As per the SEBI's guideline, dealer means dealer ID has to execute these algos with the. But you can map the different client here.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
issue.
So that was my question. Next question, sir. So the first question is, can retail participants can participate in algos?
No, directly not, but through the dealer terminal, yes, it is.
Okay, got it. So that means if we are a retail players, we cannot build the algo strategies and we cannot do the algo trades, right? As per the SEBI
Honest,
guidelines.
yes, that terminal you cannot execute this. To execute this kind of algo, you must have to the dealer terminal as
Okay,
per the
got it.
SEBI's
So
compliance.
let me explain the group what is the meaning of dealer terminal now. So we understood the retail participants cannot trade in algorithm, but retail participants can trade in manual algo, that after getting the signals, they can do the manual trades, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, now this is clear. The second question is, sir, suppose you were talking about the dealer wala's thing about, right? So now if someone is an AP, authorized person of any broker,
Right.
suppose if somebody is an AP of Motilal Oswal or any other broker like Angel or
Yes.
anything,
Yes.
so can that AP participate in algorithm?
Yes, AP must have a dealer version for
Okay,
trading, and it has a multiple client mapping. So yes,
okay,
dealer can obviously execute this algo.
okay. So dealer terminal means, so group the what is the meaning of dealer terminal? Dealer terminal meaning, suppose if you are an AP, suppose you are an AP of Motilal Oswal or Sher Khan or anything, fine. Now if your clients wants to do trade in algorithm, got it? So they are the retail clients now. They can still trade in algorithm. How they can trade in algorithm? By giving a dealer terminal to the to a dealer, right, sir?
Right, sir.
So there must be a dealer at your office, and at that particular dealer, you have to map that clients in that dealer account, so that
Yes, sir.
he can or she can trade in the algorithm, but directly retails cannot trade. Make sense, sir?
Right, sir.
Perfect. So now these two things are very important, because so many people wants to understand that they actually wants to participate in algorithm, but because of retail, they cannot. So what
Hmm.
they can do, so if they are retail players, they don't need to worry. They can ask their brokers or any sub brokers where their account is there, that sir, we want to participate in algorithm. Okay. And there they have a dealer terminal at every authorized person, so they can map you in the dealer terminal and you can start their algorithm trading. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Fine, sir.
Okay, now the third question is, sir, if anybody wants to see, try their own strategy now. Now,
Okay.
suppose I heard that there are strategies which has to be, given consent by the NSE.
Hmm.
That only we have to run. Am I right?
Of course, right, sir.
But if somebody has having different strategy in his mind, suppose
Okay.
they want to try some different strategy, whatever as per their logic.
Right, sir.
So can he run that strategy? Yes or no, sir? And with logic.
He can run, but before running that strategy, he must get the approval from the exchange, respective
Okay.
exchange, like NSE. If suppose I have a 6 lakh strategy, okay,
Hmm.
which has some parameters and other stuff, I need to make a software of that. I need to make a risk management of that particular software. And then, yes, definitely NSE approves that algo. In that case, yes, you can run this strategy.
Okay, we can. Okay, then that means the strategy has to be approved by NSE and
Yes,
any
sir.
exchange. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means the retail has to give the strategy to his broker, and broker will get approval on behalf of client. Is that the
Right,
rule?
sir. Yeah.
Okay, means retail cannot directly take approval from NSE. It
No,
can be
sir.
done with the
Two
help
brokers
of
only.
through brokers
Members
only.
only. Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. Now, sir, if suppose any client
Hmm.
do trade in algorithm and you
Hmm.
said the dealer terminal has to be in between, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Now, if suppose there are compliances problem also, the compliances problem,
Right.
that SEBI had given a compliance call that after every trade you have to call to the participant, you have to inform the participant, right?
Right.
But if you are into the algorithm, there are many trades that can happen because of the machine, and this is not possible for a dealer to call after every trade. Yes.
Right.
So
Right.
in that condition, what can be done, sir?
So in that case, there are two ways. One is after completing the trade, system can fire the SMS to the concerned mobile number. Okay. So one compliance will be completed, and second, the undertaking from the trader
Yes.
that could be collected in a proper manner, and all the risk and every possibilities must be mentioned in that undertaking, so broker can execute all the algo by taking this undertaking.
Right. So there is I think there is a question from one of the participants that why, sir, Upstock and the Zarotha give API key to retailers?
API is a different thing because API is a nothing but a bridge between two systems. Okay, so
Okay.
let's take example. I have some analytic tool which is based on some my logic. I have made a different system and it is generating all the buy or sell signals accordingly. So API is a bridge between trading system and your analytic system. So it takes the orders from the analytic tool and send it to the trading system. The trading system will give the feedback whether it has been traded or not. Okay, so every information will be passed again to the analytic tool for a further action. So API means the bridge between the two systems.
Okay. So API is, yeah, as you said, a bridge between the two systems, right, sir?
You're right,
So
sir.
it is not, hello. Yes, sir. So it is not related to any particular like rights given to the retailer for trading in algorithm. Yes.
Right, sir.
Okay. So fine. So Nilesh ji, anything that you want to add regarding the algorithm part thing? Because because the today session was mostly I want to discuss about the problem that actually were facing by the retails and by the participants that they really want to trade in algorithm, but they don't have like strategy builder is fine, because if any broker or like money maker that if suppose they are dealing with the Saral Infotech or money maker, now you have all the registered strategies from the
Right,
NSE that you can opt to
right,
the
right, right.
any participants, fine.
So, right, sir. I would highlight that there are two ways to participate in a trade. Okay, as you said, one is this API base. Okay, so API means what? There is a bridge between two systems. If you are if you are doing the normal trades, means not high speed or much more trades every day. Okay, if you are if you have a chart based strategy, then definitely it will take minimum 1 minute to generate the buy or sell signal. So it's not a high frequency trade, it's a low frequency trade. So in this case, if you are a normal trader with the logic, then definitely you can go for API. So we also have a API that bridge between the trading system and your analytic system, like Ami Broker or some other stuff. So you can always use that kind of strategy. But when you are going for an option means there are a lot of difference, because you might be aware that NSE right now is giving more than I think 16 MB broadcast every second for option. Right, Nishanji?
Yes, sir.
So every second it is a more than 20 MB broadcast, and to handle that broadcast, API is not capable of that doing. So you must use this kind of execution algo to run this option strategy. If you are using a chart based strategy, then definitely you can go for a API based kind stuff, or whenever. But when you are in the option algo like bank nifty's algo, then definitely you must use the particular execution algo software only. Am I clear,
Understood,
sir?
sir. Yes, yes, yes. We understood, sir. We understood. So, guys, now anybody can, yeah, like those who wants to ask their serious question about the algorithm, semi-algorithm, how one can move ahead, because strategies are with everybody. Strategies can be with the vendors also. You can personally talk to vendors and you can discuss. But can we do or we cannot do? This is the main thing. That is more important.
Right,
So
sir.
can API be used connect trading view chart with Zerodha? Okay, so I think a question asked by Mr. Rupesh, sir, can API be used connect trading view chart with Zerodha trading account?
Yes, I think it must be. But your software developer must understand that API, because in this case, API case, you must have your own developer which understood both the languages from the analytic tool and the trading terminal.
Okay, but API can be developed, right?
Yes, API can develop. Yes, sir. Anytime.
Perfect. Okay, so we can do that. Yes, Rupeshji, we can do that. So any participant, guys, any queries related to any basic queries also make sense, because okay, so Ketan has asked which are some good strategy with result risk and maximum drawdown. Ketan, answering these queries, there are many strategies, but looking at your particular risk reward, the things can be discussed. There are many strategies, Ketan, that can be discussed. So I think, sir, now the group wants to understand any particular strategies that you have that mostly discussed among the trading member, or like which can be your best strategy.
Yes, sir. In very first strategy, I mentioned the straddle. Straddle is the best strategy, but it's the most riskiest and most rewarded strategy. If you
So you're
have
talking
a
price pedal.
straddle, yeah. And for a safe trader, and if you are looking for a safe strategy, then you must let me show you some examples. Right now, the Nifty is somewhere around 14,900. Okay, so in that case, I will go for a 1500. Okay, and here. Okay, so now I'm taking example of this particular two strategies. Okay, so I'm selling the put of 14,500. Okay, and again selling the call of 15,500. So now look at this chart. Okay. So for the 29th of April, the break even up and break even down 14,308 and 15,691. If the Nifty close in between this range, I have nothing to lose. Okay. So I think I am getting the more range in this, more than somewhere around 1300 point. And as per the my analysis, Nifty is not moving 1300 point in particularly 1 month. So if you have fortnight or monthly, support and resistance of the Nifty, according to that, from the at the money, you can define your 500 or 600, point up and down. This would be the, I think, safest strategy. Okay, and for the bank Nifty, I must say take a more than 1200 difference from the at the money, because bank Nifty is moving 700 every day. So you may not get the perfect result for a bank Nifty. Yes, for Nifty 500 600 points far from the at the money will definitely save you, and it will give the good return in terms of investment. Second thing, as I told you earlier, Nifty and Bank Nifty has a weekly expiries. So for theta earner, I would like to say, if I'm making a good strategy, like a white strangle or saddle, if I am selling on the Friday, okay, so on the same day I may not get the theta, but Saturday's theta, Sunday's theta, and Monday morning's theta, it is in my favor. So market remains in the same state. So definitely I am going to get the theta of the up to 4 days, and I may square up this strategy on a Tuesday or Wednesday. I need not to wait till the Thursday. So it may give return up to 1 to 1.5% in terms of investment. Okay. So if I am doing this kind of strategy for a weekly, within the 5 days, if I'm getting more than 1% return, I think it's a most handsome return.
Got it,
And
sir. So we understood, Nilesh ji, this. So basically, this is not an intraday strategy, right?
right, sir. Option is not for a intraday. Yes, intraday is for a high frequency trading, not for the low frequency trading. So
Fine,
first
sir, we
understand
understood.
that if you are going for a intraday kind of thing, then you must go for a high frequency trading. If you are looking to earn the money, yes, of course you can earn from this low frequency trading. In this case, you must carry your position with the risk, and you can also plan your this option strategy with some insurance kind of thing, like you can buy or sell some other strikes as compared to your current position, so it may reduce your risk.
Fine, sir. So strategy portion is fine. So guys, any question related to the algorithm part, or because the thing, today's session was not supposed to be that long. We intentionally kept for the next 45 minutes only. But I think if you have any question related to the strategy part, okay. So I think Harish asked a question: can money maker tool be used by retail traders?
Yes, sir, of course.
So I think this is Harish Moneymaker tool only, and it's actually used by the retail traders, because in Moneymaker you can see there was a thing called Radar. So Radar is again a very smart thing, because Radar, if yeah, yes, Harish, you can speak. Yes, if you have question.
Thanks, Nilesh sir. Uh, so this particular money maker tool looks like awesome. So it lists all the strike prices and Nifty and whatever the demo you showed. It suits perfectly for someone to do algo. So I have few questions.
Yes, of
So
course.
if I so this is, what is the subscription cost for this money maker tool?
Sir, basically, I can
Nilesh
give
ji,
it to the breaker
just one
only.
thing. Nilesh ji, the costing part, I think Harish ji can be discussed separately, because this is
Okay.
so
Okay.
so the costing
Okay,
parts
so
can be discussed, sir.
yeah, so if I get subscription with whatever XYZ money, so who will my broker? So is it Zerodha, Alice Blue, or
No, sir, no. In that case, the broker who is having the trading platform Moneymaker, that broker can provide you a terminal and all this facility will be there in that money maker.
Okay, so even after I getting subscription of the money maker,
No,
so
I
my,
cannot give the direct subscription, as I can
okay,
sell it to the brokers only, and broker can give the all this
okay,
software to the that traders only.
okay. So my broker has to have this subscription,
Yes, sir.
so then I should be able to use
Yes,
this money
yes,
maker tool.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I don't know whether my broker has this or not. So whom do you
No, sir.
recommend?
The thing
So,
is that Hariji, no, don't take like this that whether you broker don't have or have, because if you are the client of that particular broker and if you know the broker, like suppose if you have some good hand with the broker, then we can talk with the broker that
Okay.
sir, we have this strategy and particular like this strategy, and the strategy costing is not that big. Okay. The
okay,
costing of these auto strategies are not that big, 5,000, 6,000. Am I right, sir?
Right, sir.
Yeah, so just based on the 5,000, 6,000, if you just convince your broker, sir, just like being like I will be trading regularly because of this strategy, so he can, spend this money for you. I think it will not be a problem.
okay. So I have a very simple question. Is Zerodha part of this? I will go and talk to Zerodha.
No, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
so
Zerodha is
Zerodha have
different.
developed
Zerodha
their
is
own
having.
software,
uh-huh.
so it can't be possible with the Zerodha.
So who are all
Okay.
the brokers which could give this facility for me? Because I see that this is very, very, I'm a purely an option writer, and I
Right,
see
sir.
some option strategies built. which
So
could
what
do
we
the
can
things
do,
for me.
sir, what we can do. So Deepak ji, the question related to your queries, I'm very sorry, we cannot discuss the charges portion right now here because, uh, Nilesh ji will contact you and you can privately discuss the monthly charges or the all the queries related to the personally related to the software one.
Right,
Fine,
sir.
fine, sir.
Fine, absolutely.
Because it can be it will be a public available YouTube link, so we cannot discuss the charges and all those things. So Nilesh will contact you, so any question,
Sure, sir,
but
anytime.
even personal question can be discussed over there. But any question related to algorithm that you need to understand apart from costing of this software, like
Before starting your trading,
sorry,
before start trading in the algorithm, you have some queries. So please let's discuss the queries. So all picture will be clear.
yeah,
Nilesh ji,
Yes, sir.
hello, Nilesh ji.
Yes, sir.
You have a strategy where I can short the strangle, and there is a two leg stop loss, means separate leg stop loss. Yeah,
Yeah, we do have, sir.
just like 50% upside, and my profit target is 36%. That's why.
yes,
Yes, you can do that. But of
Well-
course, you must write something on it to trigger that particular rule. Okay, so there is a stop loss, there is a target, and there is a main base rule. So you can club all these three rules. So and you can rely on that rule, no issues.
Then
So
which
people are
broker now?
using that
Sir,
triggers.
which broker now present with you? Means we can
Sir,
go
I think
to.
you can contact Nissanji directly
Okay.
for that apart from this platform. So he
Okay.
may guide you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, because sir, you will get your query solved. I will give your numbers to Nilesh ji. He will contact you and you can discuss separately with that, sir. Fine. So I think if we don't have any more queries related to the actual starting of algo, I think we had discussed. Yes, absolutely, Rukshar. We can select the SL and target at the same time. Fine. So we understood now what is semi-algo, main algo. We understood retail cannot directly participate, but with the help of authorized person or with your broker, you can
With
actually
API
start the
also.
algorithm.
Yeah.
Yes. And with the help of semi-algo can be started by anybody, whether retail player or anything. Now we understood what is semi-algo. You will get the signals. Fine. You will get the signals, but you have to trade manually. You have to press the enter button for the trades. This is called the difference between the algo and the semi-algos. Got it? So
Yes, sir.
currently, who are brokers can given us this tool? Srikanth has said there are many brokers who use the Moneymaker software and so many different vendor software. So for this, I think Nilesh ji will be the best person who will call you and make all of us understand related to the charges and related to the brokers list there where we can actually take this kind of things. Okay. So I think if you don't have any questions, then I think we should enjoy the rest of the evening with all the family members. Thank you so much, participants, for giving us the time and took out the time from the busy schedule. Thank you so much, Nilesh ji,
Thank
for
you, sir.
sparing the
Thank you
time.
very much for giving opportunity to meet all these masters.
No, sir. The pleasure is all our group, sir. So, guys, don't worry. Nilesh ji will contact you, and any queries, please solve. And anything personally can be discussed. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Lakshmi, the recording will be shared and it will be on YouTube. Fine. So don't worry about that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate for your time and stay safe, guys. You know the things are getting bad outside. So please stay safe. Stay safe, Nilesh ji. Stay safe, all the
Yeah,
participants.
same to you, sir.
Thank you so much and please
Thank you.
take care. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Sir. I'm stopping this for sharing.
Yes, sir. Please. And sir, before stopping, just give me the rights first, sir, so that I can,
Yes,
save
sir.
the recordings.
Just a minute.
Thank you so much, participants.
Okay, sir. Now you are the host.